All right. Good morning. Good morning. Sorry, I'm a little bit late today because I have to deal with some family stuff. But today is the last day to trade before I can get a request. Good morning. Good morning. How are we doing today, Chad? Today, I'm sorry I'm a little bit late with trading. Supposed to be live an hour ago, but I got some family stuff. Gotta figure that out. But I am here, so let's get ready. How are we doing today? Let's look at the 15-minute time frame. By the way, the green one is my my VWAP. I'm trying to. Okay. Yellow line is EMA 51. White line is EMA 14. I usually use them for my entry. But look at the market from yesterday and today. All right, being retracked from here. Another point right here. Yeah, just my key level I like to look at. Let's go to 5-minute time frame. I'm not gonna try to go crazy today again, y'all. Sometimes we're just gonna do 1 or 2 trades a day and then we'll be done with the rest of the day. I have family, I have kids, and sometimes I also have Bible to study, repair throughout the week. So I usually trade like 30 minutes maximum or an hour. It depends. Now we got a live stream trading going, so maybe an hour is max for me. I'm not gonna try to sit at a chart and stare at it the whole day, right? So it looks like I am going to look for a long setup. Looking for a long setup here. Oh, this is tough. Another good entry can be right here. Have to say, be patient, y'all. Be patient because that is how you get paid. Imagine if you work from 9 to 5, your salary being paid by the hour you put in, but for trading, you are being paid by your setup. So I'm gonna really patient today. Market start at ATR right now is 6 point per ES. I'm trading MBS right now. Used to trade MNQ before, too crazy. So I switched a little bit to MBS, less volatile. I'm gonna be patient here to see what is the market is giving us. It's really strong here. See the circle that I drew. Let's have a really strong support. 5-minute chart. Trying to push for sure. I tried too long at 66.23. Let's see how it goes.
Order filled.
Oh, it tagged me in. It tagged me in. Like I said, today I may just, try to flip so I can get paid. Maybe just a few point right here. 66.27 something. Oh, it doesn't look good. Be patient, y'all. There you go, 3 points already. It's struggle over here. I may take the profit at maybe. Here we go, 4 points. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Five points. Should I stop at 5 points? Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. You know what? I'm gonna have my stop loss.
Order submitted.
7 point. Oh, stop, yeah. We can entry again. We can enter again. Maybe at the EMA 14 because it's have a very good.
Order canceled.
Yeah, I only have 3 points. Could have been 6 points, but it's all right. Sometimes the market not gonna be easy on you, right? So it's better to take a profit and sitting there and cry for your loss later, okay? I think it's important that everybody need to have this mindset where everybody could make money, literally. You hit long, you hit buy, you sell, you make money. But the problem is not everybody could, keep the money. So risk management is a key for your success, right? I think it's gonna chop here a little bit. I'm looking for the upside. I'm looking for the pop on the upside, yeah. May gonna move it here to 66.25 here. Actually, 66.24.50. Okay. The purple line is standard deviation 1. Usually when it's go above VWAP, I use that indicator, I use that line for support. Or if you're trying to short, then that would be a resistance area, okay? So, again, I'm trying to go for maybe another 5 point. Let's see how it goes. Today, it is not easy today to trade, y'all. So, if you're trading, please scale down, okay? As you can see that I have 300K, but I only trade with MBS. Because I know market is crazy nowadays with the war and everything is going on. So try not to go crazy today, y'all. When you trade prop firm, you always try to save your account. Always try to not to blow your account. Don't worry about payout yet. worry about risk management, worry about consistency. Every day that you show up, you're doing the same thing over and over again. Okay? That is how you survive with this market. Other than that, you're not gonna be survive, y'all. There you go, 4 points already. I'm looking to hold here. Hopefully it will give me 5 points. We'll see how it goes. It look like it's bullish here, y'all. Come on, give me 5 points. Will y'all? Will you be nice? There you go. 5 points. Let's go. 5 points of MBS. If you trade ES, 5 points is literally $250. Okay, it depends your size. Me, I like to go small size, less stress for me. 2 trades so far, your the first trade you could hit literally 7 points, but I have the stop loss and I have 4 points. Second trade, 5 points. So far with MBS, we already made literally 9 points, right? I'm not gonna try to hop in another trade right away, y'all. I'm gonna wait around, okay? I hope you make money. I hope you make money. Hi, I'm probably gonna just live for another 15 minutes. Since I'm already green, I'm gonna hop out and I'm gonna have breakfast with my son later, and I'm like I said, yeah, I don't understand how people sit in front of the screen, staying at chart for the whole day. Okay, I don't do that. Maybe 30 minutes, an hour for me is a maximum. I have a life to enjoy. I have a family to hang out and to go to be there for them and with them. I have a son to be there, to setting a good example, to be a dad to them. So money is a tool for me to do my ministry, but I'm not gonna be a slave to money, y'all. So, hey, 2 trades so far, wins. I hope this channel will grow. I don't know, but I have conviction to trade and maybe help people with their mindset, with their consistency. As you can see that I have 9 accounts. They are funded. I have 3 accounts with Apex. They are 50K accounts. Only one is 300K. They are legacy account at the moment. So this week, actually today, after today, I will make the video where I request on my 200K account with 3.5 payout request. So Apex is really good with payout requests nowadays, y'all. They actually approve my payout within 2 days. Okay, and I heard that a lot of people get payout requests for just after 4 minutes, which is crazy. So Apex really step up the game. I've been trading with Apex for the past 4 years. Oh my goodness, I'm with Apex for 4 years already. The first 2 years struggle a lot. I got payout not so much, but recently I've been really consistent and disciplined with my trading. I've been getting payout back and forth for the past 2 months. So I'm so thankful for Apex, to change my life and to have a tool, just to have a freedom, not to go to work and focus on ministry, focus on family, and focusing on seeking God. So I'm so grateful for that. Should I do another trade? I don't know. like I said, I was looking for long, y'all. First of all, this green line right there is a VWAP. Okay, if all the candlestick, if the price action above the VWAP, I'm looking for long. Okay, especially this purple line right here. Is it purple or magenta? Purple line right here. If price action above that, I am definitely go for long for sure. Okay, my first setup, I was long right here, is because it's above the white line, which is the EMA 14. So I'm looking for long. We have a little bit of drawdown right here. How much? 4 or 5 point drawdown, and after that I see price shooting up. I try to have a stop loss here, and unfortunately it stopped me out, but it's all right. I made kind of 3 points, 4 points, 4 points, and then looking for another long, which is at the EMA 14 right here. Okay, so it went up to first trade 4 points, second trade 5 points. Okay, that's all you need. That is all you need. You don't have to go for 10 points, 20 points. You don't have to go for a home run, just base hit. And now I am probably done. I may looking for another trade. I don't know, but we'll see how that goes. But I'm pretty sure I am done. Today I'm gonna withdraw, request a payout on my 200K account, and then maybe for the next Friday, another PA account that you see, that I will request a payout as well. So hopefully today 200K get payout request, and then I need 8 more days for 200K and 50K, so another payout, another 2 payout next week. I do have another 3 payout. No, I have another 3 PA account, 50K. It's gonna take a while for me to withdraw, y'all, because I'm gonna take all it needs to get to payout. I'm not trying to make mad money a day, you know. I'm not trying to risk a lot a day, okay? For this 200K payout, the very first payout, it took me a month. It literally took me 20 days. I make like 200, 300 a day. It took me, and some day I got really good. Some day I got really lucky. You know, I hit like $1,000 a day. But that's it, y'all. You know, your first payout, you should take your time to work on it. Don't even try to rush it. You know, let it cook. Let it stay there as long as you could. And then the other 4 funded account I have is Lucid account. I have 25,000 account and 50,000 account. I also have Tech Profit Trader, 25,000 account, and my future funded account, 25,000. I did some crazy mistakes, so I'm trying to have them back to break even. But Tech Profit and my funded future looks good so far. So yeah, the music that I have in the background is kind of like a worship soaking music to help me to calm. I did a devotion and pray in the morning a little bit before I trade. Yeah, that's my strategy, praying strategy. Yeah, put God first, and everything else will be given to you. Hey, Matthew chapter 6 verse 33 say what? That seek first the kingdom of God and His righteousness. Seek first the kingdom of God and His righteousness. Sometimes, as human, we have a tendency not to seek God. Hey, you seek God first, everything else will be given to you. Family, finance, literally everything else that you need. God see it all, God know it all. He give it to you. Everything will be given to you. Not something, not just little thing, not big things, but everything else will be given it to you. I don't know if I should do another trade. I am happy with my trade. Because I recently just switched to MES, so that's why I only trade one contract on MES on a 25,000 account, and then for the 50K account I do Apex copier 2 times, so 2 contracts on 50K account, and then for the 300K I did 3 times, 3 contracts. So wow, she's gone. MES is gone. Okay, so the blue line right here is basically a standard deviation too. Okay. Right now, I am not gonna trade right here, y'all, because the price is overextended. Literally, from VWAP. Let me try to. Okay. Literally from VWAP to here is 31 points. So usually what I noticed when price go above the standard deviation 2, it usually pull back. If I long here, the pullback to VWAP, that's 30 points. That's a lot. See what I mean there? So the blue line right here can also see is at a resistance if you're trying to go long. Okay, so right here I would wait around to see if price could come back to EMA 14 or even the yellow line EMA 51. So I am waiting. So trading, most of the time people think that trading you have to go in and click sell, click buy. Nah, it's not about that, y'all. Most of the time, 95% of the time that you trade is you wait. Good things happen to those who wait in the Lord. Sorry. But yeah. Let's wait here. So let's see. Let's see how this candle close. 5-minute chart. 5 minutes chart, 5 minutes time frame looks really good. I mean, clearly the bull is in control. Okay, the buyer is in control right now. Actually, why don't we trade sim? Oh, this is a risky trade right here. You can either wait for the candle to close above EMA 14 for long, or if go below that, go short. You know what? I'm gonna try something crazy here. I'm gonna try to short below EMA 14. Let's see how it goes. Like I said, I'm already done. I'm just trying to trade with sim to see how it goes. Okay, if you guys want to take this trade, you could, but just be careful. Okay, this may just be a pullback rather than short. Okay, that's why I trade sim. Okay. Everything I do here is very what's the word I'm looking for? transparent. You see all my trade, you see my copier and everything. Oh yeah, it's a pullback. It's a pullback. If you're in this trade, I would put stop loss somewhere up here. Okay.
Order submitted.
Okay. Good thing I traded with same accounts. I see we have a potential to go down, y'all, because the 1 minute candle look like a struggle over here. My profit would be here, maybe 7 points. Okay, 7 points. Chopping. Flush it. Yeah, we don't have much buyer anymore, y'all. Definitely buying side is getting weak. So, yep, here we go. 7 points. Can you give me 7 points? Actually, I'm gonna go all the way down to VWAP. So when it go to, there you go, 5 points. 3 points. 3 points so far. It's gonna go down even more, y'all. So your first target should be right here. Okay, 66.26. Maybe first target should be 66.27. Okay, 4 points. Here you go. It's gonna drop. I knew it's gonna drop, so I'm gonna turn it to break even here. Oh, not even break even. Above this candle. Okay. Look for the flush, guy. Look right here. Bam. More. There you go. More. There you go. Yeah. It's cray. That's 5 points already. If you trade, that's 5 points for you. I trade with Sim because, like I said, I am very disciplined with my profit. For 50K, I try to make maybe $100 a day. Because recently I just switched to MES. I still have to, try to understand the momentum. I'm gonna put the candle right here. So that 3 points. 3 points. So you could have made 6 points, but hey, if you happy with 3 points, why not? Green these green, and guess what? These green will add up. If you want to do another trade, do it right here. do another sell at 66.32.75. Okay. It's a strong bullish. It's a strong rebound, but it could go down even deeper. But again, I trade with Sim though. So happy with my profit today. I'm just trying to. Tomorrow I may trade a little bit bigger size, maybe 2 MBS, and 50K would be 4 MBS, and 200K would be 6 MBS. So. You know, when you trade and you feel a lot of pressure, it's because one of the main factors is you oversize. So with 25K, 50K account, if you have drawdown 2,000, you should risk each trade maximum is 100, 150 or something. Okay. If you risk more than 200 or 300, 400, imagine every trade that go against you, that literally 20% of your account. You don't want to do that. You want to, go with a small size. And because when you have a lot of pressure, it's actually impact the decision that you make. Yeah. Trading is a lot, man. It's psychological risk management, and honestly, I like trading because it's reveal your character as well, right? I grow up without a lot of patience. Trading really helped me with being patient, right? Waiting and 95%, like I said. 95% of trading is you have to wait around. Wait for those price to go down to VWAP or a certain area that you're looking for. And then you hit buy or sell, correct? So if you feel like you're trading and you have a problem with waiting, it may not be for you. You have to switch your mindset. You have to switch that mentality. Yeah, so this is look like it's just like a pullback, a strong pullback. I'm gonna have my my stop loss above right here, above previous candle high. So this area are the area that I'm avoid to trade. I usually, if I'm looking for long, I usually looking for the area right over here, like this area. I can't. This area right here, because first, if I'm looking for long, it's above VWAP. That is not against my rule. Second is it's above SD1, and I would use the white line, which is EMA 14, and the yellow line is EMA 51 for the area to enter long, right? So. Sometimes I also, I don't know if any of y'all DCA, I do have a system, software, where it's allowed me to DCA, but at a certain amount, it will stop me out. For instance, for 50K, 25K, I could DCA, but it will stop me out literally at, I think it's at 150, 150. So that's my max loss for that trade. So I have a software for that. Yeah. But if you DCA and you don't have an actual stop loss, don't do it. I have a system, I have a software that bind it to NinjaTrader to actually stop me out. Like I cannot do anything, but it's gonna stop me out. So if you don't have that, I wouldn't suggest you to DCA because that is not a way of trading. Okay, so because how do you know when is the price? Let's say that you go long and the price, flush. How do you know it's gonna go back up? Okay, so at some point you're gonna have that stop. Okay, wouldn't recommend it to trade with our stop loss either. Okay, and you see earlier my first two trades when I trade on my funded account, I actually have a trail stop. Okay, I trail it. Make sure that I have a profit in my pocket. You're gonna have to take profit every time. But if you have like 3 or 4 profit, bring the price back to a little bit more break even. So that way, if anything, it doesn't affect your mentality. It doesn't affect that you just have a losing trade. You just have a broke even. It's okay for you to trade again. That is all about trading. It's all about risk management. Without that, you're not trading. You literally just gamble. Pure gambling. So may as well go to casino to gamble instead of trading. Okay? So gotta have a stop loss here. Gotta have a stop loss. Yeah, I forgot. I have. I don't know if anybody watching live. If you do, I need to look at the what's it called? The chat. The chat, so I can interact with y'all. Let me look. Let me check the chat. I don't think anybody would watch it right now because I just started, right? So I'm not expecting anything. I'm just here chilling, chilling like a villain. I don't think anybody would watch it right now because I just started, right? So I'm not expecting anything. I'm just here chilling like a villain. Usually I trade. Um, so I so for Central Time, the market usually open at 8:30 Central Time. From 8:30 to 8:45, I'm not trading at all. I usually wait 15 minutes after, because the first 15 minutes when market just open is so wild, right? You don't want to trade that. You want to follow momentum of the market. You want to trade directional. So usually after 15 minutes, that's when I go in and start trading. Look like I am done here, y'all. I'm gonna send you the video that I request my payout. Yeehaw! So I am so thankful, y'all. I'm not saying all of that just to brag, but some of y'all I know that struggle with payout is a pain in the neck. But once you get there, man, it will be a life changing for you. You're not gonna let your 9 to 5, tie you down. Just have a freedom to be with your family, to spend time with your family, and do other things. I hope you get there. I pray that those that watch the live stream, you will get there, right? But it's not easy, so keep grinding. Whatever that you've been doing, don't give up. God will open the way for you. I am done for the day. Like I said, I'm in red right now, but it's just the same account, so it doesn't matter. The first 2 trade, it was a win, so probably gonna stop me out here. But I'm done for the day, y'all. So if you trade today, I'm glad that you make money, but hopefully more people will tune in and watch the live stream even more. So thank you for watching. Look at the video, watch it over and over again if you could. I drop a lot of sauce in it for you to look, and hopefully it will bless you. Okay, it will bless your journey of trading. So I'm done for the rest of the day. I'm going to get some breakfast, spend time with my son, my family, and then tomorrow we do it over and over again. Okay, so thank you. Have a blessed day. Oh, I'm gonna close out the scene.